At this point, I'm going to be trying to break some of this off of here so I can read the label. Well, I'm struggling to get the crud off, but I got a warning label. That's good. Anybody have any ideas on how I can clean this poop stuff off of this thing easily on site without having to get myself super poopy? Well, I'm wrapping it up for today. Got a little bit off of the septic pump. I think it might be clogged with something up in there in the impeller, but I haven't been able to clean enough of the literal crap off to be able to figure out how I can take it apart and see if I can service it. But if anybody has any ideas on how I can clean this stuff off easily, I'm all ears.